Hi guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. So in software testing tutorial, today we are going to discuss about what is software and how many types of software is available in market. So coming to the software. So what is meant by this software? So the definition of software is nothing but it is a collection of programs. Software is nothing but a collection of programs. So program is nothing but a set of instructions. Okay, so guys, so this is the definition of software. What is meant by software? Software is nothing but a collection of programs. So what is meant by this collection of program means, like if you are taking any example, like I am taking with the one application, like WhatsApp is my application. WhatsApp is a one software. WhatsApp contain a multiple programs like register program, chats program, status program, calls program, groups program. So they have a multiple programs. When only chats we cannot say WhatsApp. Only register we cannot say WhatsApp. So when we are integrated one program to another program, then only we can say it is a software. Now what is a what is a that program? So one program, if you can say chat is your program. What are the instruction of chats? Anyone can write something message, it should be visible. If you are sended to that sended that message to another person, it should be sent. So these all are instructions. Every program having some instructions. So to develop this software, we are using some programming languages like Java, Python, like C++. So like that we are using some programming languages and we are going to develop these softwares. Okay, so once again I am going with the definition. Software is nothing but a collection of programs. Program is nothing but a set of instruction. To develop a software we require multiple programs we need to write with using some programming languages. Okay, now in software how many types of softwares are there? Let us look at. They are they are three types of softwares available. So what are they means? One is system software, application software, and third one programming software. What are the software types we have? One is system software, second one application software, third one programming software. So what is about this system software ante like operating systems ఎలా అంటే విండోస్ and Linux and Mac. So these all are coming under operating systems and Android. So whatever we are using mobile, these all are coming under a system softwares only. Like your mobile is a software device. So which type of software it is? It is coming under system software. And the second thing we have say utilities. Utilities means like printer, scanner, etc. So these all are coming under utilities. Utilities means we can use with one operating system. We can connect this printer to this operating system. We can get a print. So this type of printer, scanners, these all are known as a system softwares only. Coming to the application softwares, like application softwares we have a application is nothing but a apps, desktop apps. Desktop apps is nothing but a notepad we have one of the example. Notepad is a desktop application and mobile apps. Mobile app is nothing but a dial pad. So dial pad means whatever we are we are following any phone calls, we require a dial pad to enter a number. So the dial pad is coming under one of the mobile application, and the most popular application is web apps. Web apps is the most important applications current market. So like what is this web application means, like you can see Google and WhatsApp and Facebook, whatever it is, etc. Okay, so why it is that much of demand in market means because to use this web application we require an internet service. So that's why web applications are generating the economy. Okay, so how you can identify this web application means which application is working with under internet connection. Those applications are known as web applications. Okay, next, programming softwares. So what about this programming softwares means, like we have some programming language guys, like Java or Python or C plus. So we require we don't know the coding language, we are writing the programs in English only. To English to converting to byte code, coding like binary code, so we required some compilers and interpreters. So these are coming under server side. So programming softwares are compilers, interpreters and debuggers. So whatever it is, these all are coming under programming software. So these all are in under any programming language, so which are using to converting the source code to byte code or byte code to machine code. So we are using these compilers, interpreters and debuggers. Okay, so guys, most of the times we are working in which applications? Web application. So now we have a picture like software is nothing but a collection of programs, and this software was in under three types. One is system software, and second one is application software, and third one is programming software. Okay guys, and thank you. If you are like this video, please share with your friends and keep supporting to SP Global Solution. Thank you.